Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AirDNA to check demand. So you can go ahead and look at different markets or even sub-markets. So let's look at, for example, Denver Heights. All right, we're going to do Denver Heights right now. So to check historical occupancy rate, all you need to do is scroll down here and you will basically see a graph, right? And you can go ahead and look at this as well. This is a graph for the occupancy rate. But if you want something more detailed, you have to scroll down here. And as you can see, this is the occupancy rate. And now we have percentage of the month that was occupied. Now you can also get data for up to the last 3 years. So I come toggle this and choose last 3 years. I'll be able to see all the data for the last 3 years. See whether it's on an uptrend or a downtrend. Honestly, this is kind of stable compared to other markets right now. And you can also go ahead and export this as a CSV. So I can download this right now and open it up in a CSV. So here we go. It has downloaded and we are about to open this up in an Excel, and you can go ahead and analyze this data. It's really that easy and simple, guys.